How is multiplication related to division?
If you have 24 divided by 6, you know what 6 times blank equals 24. And when you're doing long division, you have to do multiplication to know what to subtract and to check your answer when you're doing your division problem.
If you have a block of 24 and divide it by 4, you would have 4 different groups. So these are the 4 different groups. Each of those groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the same thing would be multiplying, except if you had the 6 multiplied by 4, it would be 4 of these, and there would be 1, 2, 3, 4.
That is how multiplication and division are alike.